Let's learn daily tenses. Present indefinite tense for kids. Tense helps us understand when an action is happening. Let's learn present indefinite tense, which is all about things we do regularly or actions that are happening right now. For example, I play, you play,
He, she, it plays.
we play, and they play. Now, let's break it down into three magical elements: the subject, the verb, and the object. 1. The subject is the who or what doing the action. 2. The verb is the action itself, and 3. The object is the who or what is receiving the action.
Let's start interactive practice. Now, it's your turn. I will give you a sentence and you can tell me the subject, verb, and object. They read a book. They is the subject. Read is the verb. And a book is the object. Another example. She draws colorful pictures on paper. Subject is she. Verb is draws. Object is colorful pictures on paper. Examples with characters. I play with my toys. In this sentence, I is the subject because it's who is doing the action. Play is the verb because it's the action of playing. And with my toys is the object because it tells us what is being played with. In this sentence, I play with my toys. Subject is I. Verb is play. Object is with my toys.